alright. Okay. I'm over here. I wanna say, alright. Okay. I'm over here. I do today. Let me tell you this, let me tell you that I'm doing everything, yo. Although yes, I'm rocking it. I'm rocking from the bottom, move myself on up. I see some people in the chat. I wanna say what's up. I see your name, you see my name, but still I'm on a beat. Some other people looking up, we deep up in that street. That street, the other street. Some people wanna see. They looking with the double E, but you cannot be me. I'm seeing the sassy in the house, so yes, I say your name. Some other people coming up, you know the what we bring. We bringing everything in and we bring the energy. Some other people saying, do you want to look at me? You looking what? Do you want to look at me? Look at what? Do you want to look at me? Look at what? Do you want to look at me? Look at what? When you looking at me, entrepreneur, Darren Shamika is in. They're in the house today, and I say that see you friend. My friend is over here, and they say Shamika down. Some people's going up and other people turn around. I seen the Robert get to stopping by, he saying hi. He chilling at the job, but he gonna wave hi. But still I'm showing love here for you. I know you looking up and I see you what it be. I saying, hey, I see you looking over there. Say, hey, I see you looking over there. Saying, hey, I see you looking over there. Saying, hey, I see you looking over there. So then you very sports highlight. Oh yes, I say your name. Some people's in the house, so when I'm here to say your name, I say your name, oh with the beat, I'm here to move my feet. Some people's over here say maybe what you wanna see. Oh yes, I'm in that break of luck, oh yes, I'm doing it. Some people looking up and say, oh yes, I'm straight legit. I'm off the top of Donan, but I still am in my home. Some people's over here, and you looking like it's on. I saying, hey, you looking up, but look for me. Say, hey, say you looking up for me. Saying, hey, I say you looking up for me. Saying, hey, say you looking up for me. So I'll hoorah, and I say the hoorah now. The hoorah, when we say we about to hit it down. We coming from Japan and showing love to the J. Some people, let me tell you, this is what I wanna say. We doing this, we doing that, oh yes, we getting crumb. Some people's over there, they got that stuff up in their trunk. Their trunk is over there, they going thump-a-thump. I'm over here today, oh yes, I'm still in kitchen crunk. I'm saying what? Said I see you looking at me. I'm over here. Some people trying to see you at me. Some people jumping in the DM trying to see my name. But still I'm over here. But still I know I'm still the same. I said, hey, I know you looking at the J. Saying, hey, see you looking at the J. I'm saying, hey, I see you looking at the J. I'm saying, hey, I see you looking at the J. So David Corey with the crowd. Yes, he's in the crowd. He hit you with the video, but still he's getting hot. We started from the bottom and we work our way on up. Some other people said, I hope you don't to get stuck. We talking about your people and your people wanna grind. But still I'm over here, I'm looking you up in your eye. Your eye is over here, they're like the eye of that tiger. Some people's over here to know I'm not gonna go to retire for the loser, but I still am grinding hard. I work out every day, I even work out in the dark. I see the people looking, say that man is going hard because he's in the street, they singing. Oh my God, I see you what? I say I see you looking dope. Hey, I said you looking for some more. Say hey. I said, I see you looking though. Say, hey, I said, I see you looking though. I see the DJ up and in my house. So now I'm over here, you know I'm rocking from the South. I'm saying I'm from the South, but I'm still showing love. I'm doing everything, I'm giving out the virtual hug. So when you get the hug from me, the hug is straight so real. But still we's over here, some people want to bow to skills. You bow to skills, you bow to death, but still I say we on. But still I say I'm looking when I put you on a song talking about. I say I see you looking though. Hey. Oh, saying I'm looking for some more singing. Hey. Oh, saying I'm looking for some more. I'm singing. Hey. Oh yes, I'm looking for some more. So now that I did my song on this little beat, oh yes, I'm having fun when I'm up and in my streets. My street is on my live and on my live or in my home. Some people talking about, oh no, my name is not Jerome. They calling me the J, the Jordan, 10th the letter now. But still I'm over here, but still I'm up in your town. Your town, they town, the other town, the town that they see. But still I'm over here, then and I saying, ooh, I say what? I say looking up at me. What?